Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and Me. Today we are going to be making a protein-packed oats and Moong Dal Khichdi. Now obviously this recipe has so much nutritional value, but it also has deep flavours that remind you of home. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 100 grams of oats, 100 grams of paneer, 1 small carrot that we've chopped up, 1 small tomato, 1 small diced onion, 1 red pepper that we've also chopped, 100 grams of moong dal which we have washed and then also soaked overnight. Then we've got a couple of cloves of garlic that have also been chopped up, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, also known as hing, and not to forget my mum's special spice box. So today's recipe is going to be made in an instant pot. Our first step is to add in our 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. So we're just going to let it melt like this, and then once it has done, we can add in our peanuts. You can also add in cashew nuts at this stage if you'd like to. So then once they've slightly darkened, we can add in the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and a few cloves. At this point, we're also going to add in our sesame seeds, along with our cloves of garlic. Then we're going to saute this for a minute or two so that our garlic has a nice golden brown colour, not too dark. And then we can add in a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, which is also known as hing, along with our diced onion, chopped up carrots, and pepper. Then give this a good mix, and then before sauteing this again, we can add in a little bit of salt to help it cook faster. Then saute this for a couple of minutes until our vegetables are nicely cooked. So at this point we're going to add in our tomatoes and the special ingredient paneer. Then again we're going to mix this and saute for a couple of minutes before adding in our oats along with our moong dal. So we washed this a couple of times and then left it to soak. Then after giving this a good mix, we're going to add in all of our spices. So we have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt again, and then 2 teaspoons of dry coriander powder, along with half a teaspoon of red chili powder. After giving this another good mix, we're going to add in our dry fenugreek leaves too, before adding in 500 ml of water. So this is going to help it cook and bind nicely. So we'll give it another gentle mix. And then we're going to shut the lid. So make sure the valve is closed, and then change this to the pressure cooker mode for about 10 minutes. So our Instant Pot is now off. So we're gonna have to release all the pressure from the valve first. And then once that's done, we can open up the lid. Now this is our nice, deliciously cooked oat and moong dal khichdi. And now it's time for plating. I hope you've liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!